Is your car charger not working when you plug it in like this? See, the phone doesn't come on, it's not charging. I'm going to show you how you can fix that. If you look inside the plug, you can see one of the contact areas in the back there. There's some kind of a corrosion or tarnish or whatever on that piece of metal. We need to make something to clean that off. Make it shiny again so that we can get an electrical connection. But you have to be careful because this part here also runs back to the battery. And if you touch that one and this one at the same time, you'll short out the battery. So it's best when you do this, disconnect the negative terminal on the battery before you start messing with this thing. Get a drill, put a pretty big drill bit in it, and then put a piece of sandpaper on the end of the drill bit and tape it on. This will clean the tarnish or corrosion or whatever that is off of that point inside of the plug. There's again before, put the drill in, as far as it'll go, then just run it. See that big difference already? Got it all cleaned out. Let's go ahead and try it and see if it works now. And we'll charge the phone. See that? Okay, there we go. Now it's working. It's charging up the phone again. This is what you can do if you have an older vehicle, or maybe even on some newer ones with this lighter plug thing, and it's not charging your phone anymore, and you look inside and it looks like it's dirty or corroded on that contact point. You can go ahead and do what I did with the drill bit, sandpaper, and clean it up. If it still doesn't work after that, then go and check your fuses, because that's probably what it is. If it's not this in here because it's corroded or whatever, then it's because you got a blown fuse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.